everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you.
Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. Today I did a brown smoky eye tutorial and this is what the result looks like. So if you want to see how this looks, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting on my tinted moisturizer. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to be doing is my brows. I'm using the Neutrogena Nourishing Brow Pencil. And this is in the shade Soft Brown. And I'm just going to brush out my brows first to find the shape that I want. And I really don't get the perfect brow. I kind of just try to fill in my brows. Okay guys, now we are onto concealer and I'm just going to be putting this on my chin, under my eyes, on my forehead, over and under my eyebrows, and yeah, let's get on with it. And just to let you guys know, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. I will put all the links down below, so if you want to check them out, you can. Now I'm going to be taking a brush like this to do my eyebrows, and I'm just going to be pushing down the concealer, spreading it out a little bit, just to make my brows look a little bit cleaner and not like the actual trash they are right now. Okay, so now that we are done with the concealer, we're moving on to bronzer / contour, and I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Studio palette, and I'm just going to make a 3. Okay, and I'm grabbing a brush like this for my nose contour, and we're going back into that bronzer color and just putting it on the side of my nose, on the other side, and right kind of in the middle of my nose to create this effect. We are moving on to powder to bake our face. I am using the Airspun Loose Powder. I got this on Amazon for $5 or $6. It is actually really good, and it is such a big container. I was really surprised. So yeah, we're just gonna be applying that. Okay, so now while I'm waiting for my face to be baked, I am going to be pulling out my Too Faced Natural Love eyeshadow kit, and I am going to get a brush, and I'm going to take the color Spoiled, and I'm just going to put it on the corner of my crease and bringing it also down to my eyelid, but I'm not going to get it too far. Next, I'm going to be grabbing the color Chocolate Martini and just continuing on, not doing a lot though, and also bringing it down to my eyelid. Okay, and then next we are going to be taking the color Honey Pot, and we are just going to be finishing the way that. Okay, that just completely collapsed on me. Next thing we're going to do is we are going to go back into the color Spoiled and put this on the outer V of our eye, on the eyelid. The color Honey Pot. Right, putting this in the inner corner. Next, I am going to be taking the color Poodle and just putting it on my brow bone. Next thing I do is I'm going to just wipe my powder. Oh! Wow, that was dramatic.
Don't be so dramatic.
Under eyes. With this brush, and I pick the color Spoiled. And I'm just going to be doing that 1/3 of the way. And then I'm taking the color Chocolate Martini. And I'm just going to be doing that, like, getting to 50% of the way. And then the rest of the way, I'm going to be taking the color Honey Pot. Okay, next I'm going to be taking the Katy Cat, putting that in my inner corner. And now it is time for eyeliner. So what I like to do for eyeliner is I just like to draw my eyeliner just regular first. And then I like to go to my outer V, and I just like to start drawing a line wherever I would like it to be. I start drawing a line there. And then I draw another line. And I fill it in. And then I just do the same process on the other eye. False eyelashes! So I'm using the Ardell. I got a kit from Ulta. I will link it down below. And I'm going to be using the 120s, which are these ones, the wispy ones right here. So, oh, I need to get out my glue. Oops. And wait for it to dry. Are you dry yet? Are you dry yet? Are you dry yet? Something's telling me this isn't working. It should be good. Okay, so while I am waiting for my lashes, the lash glue to dry, I am going to be going my highlighter, and I am using the Naked Illuminated highlighter. It looks like this. I kind of destroyed mine. Guys, I got a new brush.
Oh, thank God.
Next, I'm going to be applying blush, so I'm just going to get this. Okay guys, so now that we know that the lash glue has set in, I'm going to be taking my eyelash curler, which I got a new one, yay, and I'm just going to be curling my lashes. Okay guys, so the next thing we're going to be doing is applying mascara, and I'm using Maybelline's Last Sensational. And we just do this with the fake eyelashes because it kind of like glues your real lashes and the fake lashes together, so they look less fake, I guess. So I'm just going to try to make sure this isn't like super clumpy. Okay, and then a little something I like to do is I like to take a spoon and kind of brush through the lashes just to get rid of all the clumps and stuff. Okay, and of course, last but not least, our lipstick. I'm going to be applying Melted Metallic. This is the color Faking It. I'm going to be applying that to my lips. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you'd like to see my previous videos, they'll be in the links down below. And if you want to follow me on my social media, it is all going to be over here. And yeah, if you have any requests for any videos, just comment down below. I'll try my best to do them. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, I post videos every single Friday.